Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I get Dare painted up from the ODST box. I'm going for a bit brighter armor than what I would normally do, but that's mostly because I just want her to stand out a little bit more against the other ODSTs. To get started, I primed her black and used a mixture of black and ash grey to base coat all of the exposed undersuit parts. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on, or just hang out and chat. I hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. Starting to bring in some mid-tone, I mixed in some more ash grey and went over the majority again for the undersuit, just leaving that darker mix in the recesses and the deeper shadowed parts. Finishing off the undersuit, I mixed in a little bit more ash grey and brought up all of the areas in the light. Since this is still pretty dark, I also added an extra mix of ash grey and just gave these parts an edge highlight as well. Moving on to the main colour of her blue armour. It's a very blue-grey sort of colour, so to start off I base coated all of the panels with Cold Corpse blue. I would have thought this covered better than it did, but it takes a few coats to actually get nice and smooth on there. With the shadow colour established, I moved on to the actual armour colour with some wolf grey, covering the majority again with a few coats. I leave all of the recesses and the shadow parts the darker colour. Some parts closer to the bottom of the mini only get an edge highlight at this point as well, just to make them stand out and stay shadowed. Finishing off the armour, I go around all of the edges facing upwards with some Gravestone blue. I do try to give the black armour parts an edge highlight with this as well, but I don't like how that came out, so I do paint over it later on. To fix the mistake of the blue edge highlights, I grabbed warm grey and gave all of the black armour panels a quick highlight with this instead. Some of that blue still comes through, but a majority is covered now. That just gives it a little bit more of a reflection if the blue is there still. With the bulk of the mini now finished, I can get the dirt on the base started with a once over of Charred Brown. While I wait for the brown to dry, I use Dragon's Gold to get her visor painted in and a few of the details, including the pipe thing on the base. These are then followed up by a quick highlight of Shining Silver and Dragon's Gold just across these centres. She has a few buckles and small details around her armour that I give these once over with Shining Silver just to make them stand out and break up some of that darker armour. Like with my other ODST minis, the panels on the base are getting done with a Shining Silver and Oxidation green mix. For the final steps on the mini, I'm going to do washes. I start off with a dark tone wash, thinned down and applied across the entire mini except the base. I avoid some of the larger areas on the blue armour just so that I don't stain them too much and make it look a bit weird. The base is then finished off with a quick bit of strong tone wash just to give it that grimy look. And that will be it for there. I like how she came out, although she looks too much like a Spartan with this colour scheme. But with that in mind, I think I'm going to do some Spartans in this colour scheme. I still have a couple that need painting up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hovering on, or just hang out and chat. For those of you who want to pick up Halo Flashpoint or just some painting supplies, there are a couple of affiliate links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.